Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Sri. Today we are going to solve one codes for Python question. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, today we would like to solve some simple coding question. The name of the question is this my tail? Some new animals have arrived at the zoo. The zookeeper is concerned that perhaps the animals do not have the right tails. To help her, you must correct the broken function to make sure that the second argument, that is tail, is the same as the last letter of the first argument body. Otherwise, the tail would not fit. Sorry. If the tail is right, return true. Else, return false. That means we need to return true if the tail is correct. Or otherwise, we need to return false. The arguments will always be non-empty string and normal letters. See, here test case is na, see if the body is fox and the tail is x, that means it ends with the x last letter, so we should return true. Here badger, the last letter of the body is r, but we gave tail as s, so we should return false. According to that, we are going to write the function. Let's see. By using indexing concept, how can we get the last letter of the any string? By using -1, yes, right? So a is equal to, let the variable be a, which stores the last letter of body. Okay, next we need to check with the tail. If tail is equal to a, if it matches, we need to return true. Else false. Let's check. See, all test cases are passed. It is very simple question. It just helps to analyze the question. If you like this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.